Hi, I'm Nadine Batat, and on behalf of Tomorrow's Technician and Continental Belts and Hose, I'd like to introduce our February 2025 Student of the Month. Andrew Champagne is a 12th grade student at Upper Valley Career Center in Piqua, Ohio, who demonstrates a strong passion for automotive technology, particularly in electrical systems. As part of the school's apprenticeship program, Andrew works at a local GM dealership on a 2-week rotation, gaining hands-on experience. Andrew has passed all 9 ASE Entry-Level Certifications and actively mentors junior students. Welcome to Andrew Champagne. Andrew, what inspired you to take automotive classes?
Mainly just because I like working on cars, and I just seen the chance to work on cars in high school and took it. It's something I like to do.
Very cool. Can you tell us about your experience in the apprenticeship program and what you've learned at the GM dealership?
It's been a great experience so far. It's just, the 2-week thing is a little weird, but I've learned a lot about how to have a work ethic, and just so in the future when I go into the workforce, it won't be so awkward. Just go straight into it, already knowing.
That's excellent. You passed all 9 ASE entry-level certifications as a junior. How did you prepare for them?
Having the class in general, I've learned a lot from that, and a few of them just it's stuff I've known. At home, working on cars with my dad, just stuff you learn over time.
Of course, that's awesome. What was the most challenging or rewarding repair job you've worked on so far?
I have to say the Honda minivan we did in class last year. It's a valve job, being a minivan, taking heads off, something like that. Just, burnt valve.
That's great. Now, what advice would you give to younger students just starting in the automotive industry?
I have to say, just take your time with things. Instructor, if you go to school like this, just listen to them. You're going to learn a lot.
That's great advice. And finally, Andrew, what are your plans for the future?
Right now, I'm trying to decide if I want to go into a automotive college like UNOH, or if I don't do that, I'd probably just go straight into the workforce and go up from there.
Very cool. Andrew's instructor, Andy Bueller, says,
I nominated Andrew. He comes in earlier than he needs to here, so he's not required to be here until third period because of his job placement. He came in early. He'd help out in the shop. He's always building little electrical gadgets and stuff. He made a little horn for me, a battery-powered little trigger button horn. So if I have any students dozing off, I can honk the horn to wake them up. So he's always doing more than required of him, and always positive attitude, always willing to work on stuff.
Andrew, once again, on behalf of Tomorrow's Technician and Continental, congratulations on being named Student of the Month, and good luck with everything moving forward. Instructors, if you have the next Student of the Month in your classroom, please nominate him or her today. Just go to tomorrowstechnician.com to find the entry form. I'm Nadine Batat. Thanks for watching.